Hi, my name is Terrence Brady with Whitmore, and today I'm going to show you how to install one of our dispensing taps on an OilSafe system. Let me show you how to install the dispensing tap. So first you'll start with installing thread tape in the opposite direction of which the threads are going to rotate, and then we'll insert the tap into the pre-installed mounting plate. You want to install the dispensing tap until you actually get it hand tight, and the position should end up like such. You'll then have to take a pipe wrench and rotate the dispensing tap the rest of the way. Place the pipe wrench as close as you can to the dispensing tap as to minimize the appearance of any scratches that might be caused by the pipe wrench. After you tighten the pipe wrench down, go ahead and slowly rotate until you get the dispensing tap into a vertical position. Now I'm going to show you what to do when you've rotated the dispensing tap past the vertical position. So once you've rotated the dispensing tap past the vertical position, you've now opened up the threads, and you actually want to continue to rotate the dispensing tap until you have it centered in between the next two holes. Once you've rotated the dispensing tap to where it's centered between the next two holes, you're now going to have to rotate the mounting plate. To do this, you'll need a 1/8 Allen, a ratchet, and also a 3/8 wrench to hold the nuts on the back of the side of the panel. After loosening all three bolts on the mounting plate on your panel, you'll actually need to loosen the swivel fitting on the back side of this connection via a 1 1/4 wrench. After loosening the swivel fitting, you'll now have full degrees of freedom to rotate the mounting plate over into the next hole. After removing all three bolts, you're now going to rotate the complete unit until the far right hole is actually now aligned to the left. As you can see, after doing that full rotation, you will now have a vertical dispensing tap. After doing the rotation, you'll need to reinsert the three bolts, having someone assist you in holding the nuts in the back using the 3/8 wrench and the 1/8 Allen. You will also need to tighten back down the swivel fitting that was loosened earlier to allow for the rotation. This concludes our video of how to install a dispensing tap on one of our OilSafe systems. If you have any further questions, visit whitmore.com or contact your technical sales representative.